So next question is, we need to write a program which can tell us whether a given input is palindrome or not. So for example, the kayak is palindrome because whether you see from beginning to end or end to beginning, it looks same. At the same time, you have to make sure that your punctuations or lowercase, uppercase should not, influence your palindrome. So let's see how can we create this program in a Python notebook. So the first thing what I am doing is to import the package string, and second thing, next thing what I'm doing is to let's say the input is kayak, and we can see that we have some punctuation as well, and this punctuation should not influence a palindrome. What does it mean is that when you see from beginning to end or last to end, they look different because of the punctuation. But if you remove the punctuation, the string will look exactly a palindrome. So we want to remove this punctuation as well from this input string. And secondly, we want to standardize, because there could be an input where we have a mix of uppercase and the lowercase. So we have to standardize first of all to lowercase, and then we will remove the punctuation, and then we will compare whether a string is palindrome or not. So let's start. First, I'm converting into a lowercase. The next thing what I'm doing is to check whether any alphabet is punctuation or not. The moment I find any punctuation, I will replace with something blank. So let's say I'm using for loop to iterate each character of the string. So let's say if I in string dot punctuation, then str equal to str dot replace I with a blank, and then I will check after making it standardized to lower, removing all the punctuation. Then I will check the condition if str equal to whether the string is equal to when we are reversing. So if this condition gets true, which means that whether you see a string from beginning to end or end to beginning, they look exactly same, then I'm printing as palindrome. Else I'm printing as not palindrome. And we can see that we are getting the right output, because kayak is a palindrome whether you see from beginning to end or other way around, and this punctuation is not influencing our, because we have removed the punctuation in this step itself. Let's try out another thing, maybe make it like a lowercase, and still it's giving a palindrome. And now let's remove this. Now this string is not a palindrome, so we expect the output to be not palindrome, and we are getting the right output.